What's good, family? It's your brother, Chef Abdul, and today we're gonna go to Wegmans to grab a little bit of things, right? I gotta wipe down my carriage. You guys have been waiting every Saturday at 8 p.m. for my videos, and unfortunately I haven't been able to drop the videos. I've been so busy. For those that don't know, this is the month of Ramadan, and I have been fasting for the 30 days. We have this hunger, you get headaches, it's not easy, and it's not easy to edit, film, especially with the food. So it's been extremely hard to make content. Just wanted to make a little video just to talk to you guys. I went to Wegmans real quick, got some water, because I drink a lot of water since I'm fasting and I can't drink water right now. So I went and got some distilled water from Wegmans, some pumfu, also got some kombucha. You guys know I love my kombucha. The kombucha is fermented tea. It has black tea and green tea in it, which is high in antioxidants. It's very good for you. All right, so I'm showing you guys a little bit of everything that's in Wegmans. You have some, if you guys are craving potato chips, instead of getting potato chips, you could get popcorn. Wegmans have a very good popcorn selection that is vegan. They also have yogurt all over the place. Like, I'm talking about plant-based yogurt. They have all types of hummus. They have a big variety of hummus that I have never seen nowhere else, not even from Whole Foods. They have the jalapeno hummus. They have the hummus that have garlic. They have the hummus that's sweet onions, all types of hummus. They have butter. They have whipped cream. They have everything that you need for a late night snack at Wegmans. All right, guys? Wegmans closed at 12 a.m. I'm not buying that much food this month due to the fact that I am fasting. So it doesn't make sense to buy stuff and it's gonna go bad, especially vegetables and stuff like that. So I haven't been buying too much. I've just been buying frozen vegetables, banana, because in the morning when I do eat, sometimes we get some fruits and stuff and I make a smoothie. And we drink a lot of coconut water. I was watching this video and they said that coconut water does not help you, but that's a lie, because when I'm fasting, when I drink coconut water, it makes the fasting go smooth. So for those that want to get into fasting, the type of fasting that I'm doing is called dry fasting. You could always Google it. I'll put it in the description below so you guys can see more about the type of fasting that I'm doing, all right? Also found a great section in Wegmans that have gluten-free bread. You know, it's hard. You want to eat bread, you want to have fun, but you can't. I don't have celiac disease at all. I just can't tolerate gluten. It's just too much protein for my body. It's just too much. So I'm showing you guys right here this gluten-free section full of breads, wraps, everything that you need in Wegmans. It is a bit pricey, as you can see, but it's vegan, gluten-free, soy-free. Some of them do have soy, but just check out the back and just, you know, see what goes with you. And shout out to all my Patreon members for, you know, donating and giving me some funds. So needed. For those that don't know, I do have a Patreon, so if you want to patronize, please do, because it helps me buy food and it helps me create. The times are hard, especially with this pandemic. Things have been very hard. I have been going through so much that you guys don't even know about, and I will tell you guys soon. I just wanted to say thank you so much for being my subscribers, my followers on Instagram, on TikTok, on all these places, these platforms that you guys help me get to the point that I'm at. I want to say thank you if I never did, and I apologize for my punctuality and my tardiness. I haven't been able to drop a video, but I have been doing some renovations in the kitchen, so everything is getting set up and ready for you. I have a lot of new recipes coming. Shout out to Chrissy. He asked me to make the Jamaican beef patty again. There's a lot of recipes that I did give you guys, but in the past, people did actually take my recipes for themselves and didn't give me the credit. So I have a vegan cookbook coming out soon. I told you guys this last year, and it got delayed due to the pandemic. All right, guys, so the book is coming out. It's gonna probably be an ebook. It's gonna come out with all my recipes. Most of my recipes now are soy-free and gluten-free. I try to lean towards a gluten-free lifestyle because it makes me feel better. I do eat gluten, especially if I'm eating spelt. Like right now, I have these delicious chocolate chip cookies that are made from spelt flour and chia seeds as the eggs. It's very good. You know, you guys have to try that. I'm gonna make this on the channel one of these days, and you could always check out the video. I do have a video for these chocolate chip cookies. Alright, that's about it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Share my videos. I am bringing you guys brand new videos real soon. This is one of my first new videos dropping. Every Saturday at 8 p.m. I'll be dropping brand new videos. Also, I got sponsored by this company. I'm not gonna tell you guys yet because I have the equipment that they sent me, and I can't wait to make a commercial or a video for you guys so you guys can see. It is a plant-based machine that basically helps the world, guys, and I can't wait to make the video. So I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to write in the comment section below. Let me know what you want me to make. Send me an inbox message on Instagram. Before I go, I want to just say I'm going to be making a brand new sausage video. I have a steak video that I want to show you guys. I have the oxtail video that I want to drop, the actual full video. So I have a few videos to come. And fried cabbage. I got this beautiful recipe that I just made of some wings. I'm not gonna tell you what kind of wings because I know other content creators are watching my channel and trying to steal your boy's style, you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely gonna show you guys a lot moving forward. I love you all, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.